Welcome back to Meaningful Creations, the July 2018 version. You're here with Sandy Miller and my friend Kyle, who's visiting with me today. I wanted to start with our wonderful crafts from last time. Last time we did these crafts and we had used some tape on them, painted over them, and then we took the tape off, and now you can see how cool they turned out. One's a flower, one's a smiley face. I think ours turned out pretty cool. If you did this and want to send us a picture of what yours turned out like, we would love to see it, so please send it to us. So just a few things. Things are going well. It's hot outside and it's hot at Meaningful Day Services. So we're still hiring direct support professionals, and we still have openings in applied behavior analysis, speech, and occupational therapy in Greendale and in near Lawrenceburg, Cincinnati. We also have openings for speech in the Brownsburg and Indianapolis area if you have individuals that could benefit from that service there. You can also follow us on, as usual, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss Kyle and other superstars doing all kinds of fun things. So today, big surprise we're going to do, since it's July, we're going to do a patriotic craft. So we're going to do this jar. So I love simple projects. All this is wonderful Mod Podge. Love simple. Okay, so Kyle, you ready? Mod Podge. Mod Podge on the jar. Put it right on there. Goop it on there. That's right. Love it. Put it on there. All right. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And that's almost the perfect amount. And so now we're going to stick that beautiful patriotic. We talked about what patriotic was. How it is believing in our country and appreciating our country. On this, once again, our anniversary. And there we go. So, we're going to put the flag there on our jar. And right now it looks a little goopy, but once you have it on and once it dries, it looks like this, before and after. And you put a candle in it. Oh, there we go, got it right side up. And Kyle, if you'll go over and turn the light out, we'll be able to see what it looks like. Okay? You go turn the light out for us? Move the table for you. Love the smell of this in the morning. Look at how beautiful that is. Wonderful. Thank you, Kyle. You can turn the light back on again. Anyway, you all have a great month, and we will see you back here in August where we have another great project for you. Have a great one.